students. Good evening, everyone. How are you all doing? Great. Okay. So, what are we going to study today? So, today's topic is water cycle. But before that, let me tell you some amazing features we have in the ODA classes. And you know what? The ODA classes are available on the Play Store itself. So, what you have to do, you have to quickly go on the application and download it very quickly. And you should know one thing that we are the most innovative edtech, right? So you can proudly tell it to anybody that you are on the ODA classes. And when we tell about ODA classes, so we give you some amazing features. Now, what are those? So the amazing features is we are starting with your bridge course from the upcoming week, Monday. That's it, right? So that's the bridge course starting from Monday. So think about it. It's a complete 1 week course. It's a 1 week course we are giving you, and it's amazing features you're going to explore in this 1 week. So what are the features? So we have three mathematics and three science class. When I say three mathematics, that will be covering your Vedic maths and your new term topic with the amazing excitement, right? And in science, we are going to teach you mind map. So think about it. When you learn mind map, and you can learn the concept very quickly in it. Okay. So we are going to give you one amazing thing, that is the personal teacher support. When I talk about personal teacher, think about it, kids. In the early stage itself, you're going to get a help of personal teacher. If you have any doubt throughout the day, you can immediately contact, and they are going to really emphasize on your personal studies. And they are very helpful and supportive teachers we have, right? And what are the other things we are going to give you? So kids, we are going to give you homework as well. When I say homework as well, so on each and every topic, you're going to get homework, and on the app itself. You don't have to go anywhere. Just come on the ODA class and you're going to get homework itself for getting better understanding on each and every topic. And when I talk about homework, so your understanding is done. And what about mine? So I'll be taking your test on each and every topic to judge you and to evaluate you in the subjective and objective manner both. And that too on app itself. Again, you don't have to go anywhere. So homework and test is also available on the ODA class itself. Now, kids, there will be books also available. And when I talk about books, no hard copy, only soft copies of books are available. Now, right, all these six amazing features you're getting in the bridge course starting from Monday with the upcoming week. Now, you must be thinking, what are the ways to enroll on it? So, it's very easy. In the description, you all can see a blue color link, right? So, quickly click on that, and I'm giving you course in just 29 rupees. Otherwise, you'll be getting it for 500. In my class only, it's getting for 29. So quickly do that enrollment, clicking in this blue color link, and 29 rupees payment is required. Right, students? Okay. So let's start with today's topic. But before that, let me introduce myself quickly. So my name is Taruni Saxena. I've done my MSc Biotechnology and BA, and I'm the master teacher for a science subject. So I've taught many students in past 3 years, and I've taught them how to do the questions very quickly and understand the topic very nicely. So today, what are we going to learn? Today we are going to learn water cycle. When I talk about water cycle, what is coming in your mind? That water is going to be on cycle? No, kids, that's not like that. When I talk about water cycle, the water flows in the system. Water flows in the earth system, right? It starts from the collection and come back to the collection. Now, when I say starts from the collection, come back to the collection, is it like same way? No, we have four different steps in it. We have four different steps in it. So when I talk about these steps, first is evaporation, right? First step is evaporation. Second step is condensation. Second step is condensation. And the third step is precipitation. And fourth step becomes your collection. So there are four steps. Remember it very nicely. It's evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection, right? Now I'll be teaching you step one by one. Listen to me very nicely. So coming to your first step, that is evaporation. When I talk about evaporation, because of the sun's heat, right? Your water evaporates. Your water evaporates in the form of vapor. You all can see it's evaporating, right? When there's so much of heat of the sun and it's coming to the collection, your water will evaporate. And when I say evaporate, it will be transferred into water vapor. It will be transferred into water vapor, right? So it will be transferred into gases, and this helps with the sun's heat. This process is happening with the sun's heat. So first step is evaporation. Your water is converting into water vapor. Now, coming to the second step, that is your condensation. That is your condensation. Now, when I talk about the word condensation, you're finding it difficult? So don't worry, I'll quickly tell you. It's the reverse of evaporation. It's the reverse of evaporation. When I say reverse, that means opposite. You also can say it's opposite of evaporation. When I talk opposite of, that process where water vapor becomes liquid again. Now think about it. Water vapor is going on the top and converting again into liquid. How is it possible? So is it possible like this? See, when water vapor is going up, it's converting in the form of cloud. This is what you call as condensation. This is what you call as condensation. So students, when I say condensation, it becomes the opposite of evaporation, right? And it's a very crucial step. It's very crucial step because when water will go up, it has to form in the form of cloud, and that step is called condensation. Now kids, first evaporation done, condensation done. Coming to the next one, that is your precipitation. Now when I talk about precipitation, now what it be? Clouds are already formed. It has to rain back again. It has to rain back again. When I talk about precipitation, precipitation is water releasing from clouds. It's releasing from clouds. Now, when condensation happens, it's very heavy. Clouds are very heavy. Now they have to release. So they release in the form of rain, snow, or hail. It can be in the any form, but mostly it releases in the form of rain, right? So when condensation is done, precipitation happens. What happens? Precipitation. After heaving of clouds, precipitation happens. When precipitation happens, you all can see the droplets come out like this. The droplets come out like this, and it can be in any form. Rain also, snow also, hail also, sleet also, and it can be any form, but precipitation happens when the condensation is already done, the clouds are already heavy. So now your precipitation is happening, right? Now water is coming back. Now where it will go? So students, it will be collected. It will be collected and the collection will happen. And the collection will happen. When I say collection happens in the ocean, rivers, and many water bodies we have, right? So evaporation done, condensation, precipitation. Now after precipitation, think that when rain is happening, it will be stored in all the water bodies. You can say ocean, rivers, lake, stream. It can be anything. It get collected in it. Listen to me very nicely. It get collected in it. When I say collected in it, that means collection has happened. Collection of water has happened back again. So remember, we started from evaporation. Evaporation happened from the water bodies itself. Evaporated. Then what happened? Condensation. Then what happened? Precipitation, and then the collection. So now these are the four steps we have. It evaporate like this, it condensate, then it precipitate, and again come back to the collection. So what happened? It's a complete cycle. It's a complete cycle. Water comes on the wheel, right? You can see it starts from A, 1 point, 2.3, and 4, right? So now, ma'am, how to learn this? How to come in a sequence every time? You must be thinking like that. So if I say evaporation, condensation, precipitation, collection, now I'm going to give you a very quick memory trick. After this, you'll be learning it super quickly that which step will be coming after what, right? So your statement is, just a minute, your statement is elephant can play cricket. Isn't it crazy, right? So elephant is for evaporation, condensation C is began, P precipitation is play, and collection C is there. So elephant can play cricket. So this is how you can learn it very quickly, kids. This is the simple way to learn water cycle steps. You won't be forgetting any step. So E evaporation, C condensation, P precipitation, and C collection again. So this is how you can learn with the Oda in a fun manner, and you can quickly learn a new topic in another 5 minutes, right? So how? What are you waiting for? You can quickly come on the ask with the application, and there's amazing application is available on the Play Store itself. And when I say amazing application, you all know we are giving you the amazing features in the bridge course, right? The bridge course is having a complete 1 week duration. So 1 week duration, think about it. Within 10 minutes you have learned elephant can play cricket. So think about it, 1 week is too much for you to learn amazing things of 3 mathematics and 3 science classes, right? So be there with us and get the help of personal teacher support as well. Right now, I'm only there to teach you, master teacher, but when you get the help of a personal teacher, that will be really helpful. They're going to take your special doubt session, one-to-one doubt session, and they're going to emphasize on your personal studying as well, right? And Personal study brings your homework as well. Personal study brings your homework as well. When I say homework, right, you're going to get the objective and subjective questions in that. So you're going to be there and solve it and get a better understanding on each and every topic, right? And test. So we teachers will be evaluating you on the app itself. That can be subjective and objective in both the way. So what you have to do, you have to be there with us in the bridge course. So quickly click on that blue color link that is in the available in the description. And in my class, you're getting it for 29 rupees only. Otherwise, it might increase also, right? It can increase up to 500, but in my class, it's for 29 rupees. Now, let me tell you one more thing. If you study nicely, I'm going to reward you. I'm going to reward you with what? So I'm going to reward you with ODA coins, right? We have amazing feature with us. If you study nicely, if you are disciplined in my class, I'm going to give you ODA coins. Now, what is the use of ODA coins, kids? That is very easy. We have ODA Mall available with us, and all these smart things are available like you. That is smart water bottle, smart band, smart soundbar, and smart mobile phone. You can collect it with your own ODA coins. For that, you have to study nicely and collect all the gifts from us, right? So if you like this class, then what you have to do? You have to like, share, and come in with us in the bridge course, right? So see you in the bridge course, students. Bye bye. We'll be waiting for you.